the last passage rather. So here we are speaking about, see, the author speaks about how certain birds, right, they display skills, right, with skills which are like the use of machines modifying things and using them to their advantage. These birds sometimes they do it in the wild, some of them do it in the captivity also, right. Now that way, because of this, people start thinking that acha, we should probably make some kind of a list of zoological IQ tests with humans at the top to establish the hierarchy with humans at the top. The author says in evolution it does not work like this, because each animal is basically assigned a certain path, right. Each animal is actually supposed to have a certain specialty. Evolution is all about increasing the chances of reproduction and survival of that particular animal which fits the requirements. So in short, what we consider human intelligence to be the best is unique to us, but it is not the best in terms of hierarchy, right. So therefore, a bird which has a certain skill, a mammal which has a certain skill, it is suitable to its own field, so there should be no hierarchy as such, right. So that is what is the whole aim of the passage, right. So that way, what we should actually do is, rather than, so it is interesting, it would be better to recognize the cognition, right, and to research how the birds or the birds which behave like humans, right, rather than trying to provide a hierarchy, it is better to study how they could evolve similar traits to us, rather than trying to find a copy for ourselves in the animal world. So this is the passage. So which of the following explains the circular reasoning mentioned by the author in paragraph 5? For this, let's go to paragraph 5. What is the circular reasoning is directly mentioned here, right? So, but all that gets us is circular reasoning, right? Now, what is the circular reasoning, Vetsy? If you look at the whole paragraph, what he intends to say is that we think that these animals are impressive because the skill that they have is similar to the skill that we have. So the reason for our admiring them is because we basically try to place our own skill as something supreme, and since they have that skill, they are similar to humans. So that means the premise and the conclusion, they support each other. What is a circular reasoning? Circular reasoning is basically when the reason for your doing something itself is the same as what it wants to, what it actually should promote. In short, the premise and the conclusion supporting each other. In logically speaking, it's the premise that should support the conclusion. Let's see what is the best answer. Humans think they're intelligent, humans placing a premium on their own intelligence, and birds that are like humans must be intelligent. So this is basically the reasoning that we use, right? So we place a premium on our intelligence, and birds that behave in the way that humans do must be possessing the same quality. So that is the circular reasoning. If you look at what humans do is impressive by bird standards. First of all, what humans do is impressive by bird standards. Birds may not be even aware of, they may not even be trying to evaluate what we are doing. So this is something which is irrelevant. Look at, see, humans project their own smartness onto birds. To some extent, it is relevant, but it is actually not the complete circular reasoning. Let's look at the next part. What the birds do may not be exceptional. See, this does not present circular reasoning. What the birds do, it is not about what is exceptional or not. It's about how human beings place a premium on their own intelligence, and any animal, any bird, for example, that behaves like the way humans do must be possessing the same intelligence. So that is basically going round and round. So that is the circular reasoning. So in fact, the best answer is B. Right. Now, option D, humans think that birds are smart too. This is the end, this is the conclusion, not the beginning. So, humans think that birds are smart as a result of the fact that humans think that they are smart, and any animal that behaves like them should be also smart. So, D is not